Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to turn off your stolen device protection, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app and here just tab on your Face ID and passcode section. Very first I recommend you how to go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go to this and the Face ID and passcode section and just enter your iPhone passcode, and here just scroll down and look for the option of stolen device protection. Select this and disable the toggle to disable your stolen device protection. So it will completely disable, or sometime it might be that you face your security delay. So if you're facing security delay, I recommend you how to try to enable your security delay from here. So once our security delay will enable, it will set a timer of almost 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you have to disable your stolen device protection. Or I recommend you a trick. You have to simply open your clock, and when you have enabled your security delay, your timer starts. Just tap on alarms and then select the plus option, and you just have to set up alarm. So let's say I have at 7:30, so I'm gonna set it up an alarm of almost 58 minutes. So it's 8:30 and just wait for you have to set up alarm which remember you before 3 minutes from your security delay ended. So once the security delay has been ended, just ignore the notification, go to your settings, go to Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, and here just scroll down, look for the your stolen device protection and disable this from here as I have already done. So in this way, you can easily turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.